Good morning.
Good morning. Can't find my wallet.
I know, it's in my bag. Because you left it in the back seat of the truck. You're welcome. Alright, good morning. We're semi-awake now. We try to catch sunrise at this lookout point. So the sun's rising there, but the lookout is that way.
We're taking over again, right? Because what happened?
Oh wait, I can't even do this right now.
Alright, this is the takeover.
It's too close.
It's okay. It's a vlog.
We got a lot of this morning for not
And we got no service!
Then let us speak.
For not catching the sunrise the way we expected. But we've been driving in circles trying to find this waterfall. Whose fault was that?
Yeah, you get out.
Lock it. We're gonna take over now.
So guess what happened? He put the same address. The same address. So we've been going in circles. Because he had the wrong one. Even when we asked him. So what are we going to do now? You're going to apologize.
To the people.
I have no service. I can't even look at where.
None of us have service.
None of us do.
Goodness. Oh my goodness.
Now we have something to hold against him.
The sun still rises.
I told you.
Look, the sun's here. And we're over here on this side.
But the map showed a circle.
The waterfall's over there and we're over here on this side. So
you want to be petty?
We could be petty. I'm petty. Oh my god. We're officially hitchhikers. I put my thumb out and it works.
Let them know to wait for us when we go.
How cute!
There's a place called Kokomo. That's where you wanna go.
The water slide. It's a fail. But we did find this.
We pushed him in.
Trying to do his drills right now. It's cold. It's reported from inside the cascade. You ready?
And that is all we have tonight. Back to you.
All right. This has been Seattle Mercado, so stay classy, San Diego.
Big Island Juice round 2.
Let's see if it's open this time. Did we take 12 minutes to park? I don't know because I was asleep.
Actually, it took one attempt, like 1 second to park.
Wow, I would be impressed if I was awake to see it.
Look at that.
Look how big this is becoming. Rah. Mm.
2 hours later.
So we rented bikes. About to go check out the lava. 2 miles? Is it 2 miles?
What?
2 miles?
Something like
4
that.
miles?
I don't know.
4 miles, something.
Biking doesn't really matter.
I have to count this in my macros, you know.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. But yeah, about to go check out some lava. Alright guys, so day 2 is about to come to a close. It is like 9 o'clock. And it really didn't go anywhere as we planned for it. And look at my sub. Jeez. So, but we did find the waterfall thanks to meeting some people that were also that was also on the hike, which was good. And then hung out with them at the Black Sand Beach, which is pretty cool. Got to know more about them, and I have not really even touched my phone all day since I've been driving, and I have about every notification that you can think of right here. So about to check my phone, go through everything for today. Really haven't even posted anything on Instagram, like on the story. Hope you guys like day 2 and stick around for day 3, which will be tomorrow. And that's when I leave, so I actually leave out tomorrow night. My flight's at 10:40, I think it is. So I'll probably be there around 7, but that's the plan. So thank you guys for watching, and day 3 is coming at you.